So here is my new hair topper, and it comes with this nice return and exchange policy and a little hello and a welcome. And I also had a full FaceTime interview with Denise so that she could show me what product that I needed. So here is what comes in the package. It's nicely wrapped, and it was very well organized, and it has this nice little carrying bag, although I'm probably going to use a head form, wig form. There is what it looks like a DVD with some care and maintenance information. My receipt is in here, and then some testimonials and things like that, as well as a full catalog of all of, there's Denise, and all of her products and the way that they are constructed. So let's take a look and see what one I have. So this is a fairly new topper. Yeah, look at her little booty. Okay, let's turn that so that we have a family show here. This is a 9-inch topper, and it is called the LePetit. And I ripped it open already, so it does not come like this. It is nicely taped. But this is it. And I want you to see how beautiful the coloring and the dimension is on this. Whoops. And you can see just how lovely it is. It's all human hair. And on the back side of it, it has this really nice thin mesh with these clips that are super lightweight and easy to go on. I have not used one of these before in my life. I have no idea what it's going to look like on, but I like the fact that the roots are a little bit darker, and then it's got some, I don't know, is that balayage treatment? Maybe I'm not using the right word, but anyway. Okay, so hang tight. So before I put on the wig, I want you to see what my actual hair looks like. It is fine, it is thin. If I part my hair in the middle, like a lot of women do, I'm gonna get up even higher. It's just lots of patches of not a lot of hair up there. And I have these really thin baby hairs that are starting to kind of thin out and go bald from, well, maybe not bald, but not what I want it to be. And so I've just really struggled with my hair for a very long time. I have no makeup on either. I don't even know why I started doing this with no makeup, but let's see what it looks like on. Friends, this is it on. Now listen, I haven't styled it. I literally just put it on, but look at how full it is, and look at how it has just such beautiful body, and it's blending in with my regular hair. I'll turn around so you can kind of see how it looks on the back. No, I didn't do that very well. There. And it literally feels just like my own hair, although it's much thicker and nicer than my own hair. But it's so pretty. Look at the color. Yep, Denise Rousseau is a magician. She's pure genius. And it comes in so many different colors. This one, like I said, is the LePetit, and it's only 9 inches long. So if you have if you want super long hair, if you want to do extensions, you can do super long extensions. If you have short gray salt and pepper hair like my mom does, then you can just do a little mini sauvage, is what it's called, mini sauvage, and it's a little topper that goes up here, and it's only 3 or 5 inches long. I may not have that correct, but yeah, it's pretty fantastic. And then you want to see my hair? Like, you want me to take it out for you? Okay, again, I haven't styled it. I really need to watch the DVD, obviously, for styling. Okay, let me take it out so you can see what my normal hair looks like. Because it's a sad state of affairs. And all my siblings, I have 3, and they all have really beautiful, thick, wavy hair. Not me. I didn't get that. Okay, so hold on. It's super easy to get on. It's super easy to take off. I just have to learn how to do it a little bit more. So, this is me. That's what we're left with. That's not nice. That's not pretty. And again, like I told you, it doesn't really matter where I part it, because it's not going to do much for my head. But this, friends, this is my new best friend. Enjoy. Go get yourself one. You will say thank you to yourself.